Hi, I am Cam Calderon. Hey there are data wizards and non-magical people. Welcome back. In my previous video, we dove into the basics of linear regression in R with simple examples. And today, we are taking it a step further by predicting food expenses based on income. In the next video, we will get into the exciting world of repeated samples to assess regression coefficients. So go ahead and hit subscribe to stay in touch with me and my work in economic opinions, stocks, bonds, and estimation. Right, here is the scoop. We got fancy regression parameters beta 1 and beta 2, which allow us to predict food expenses based on income. Today I'll show you how to plug this into an equation and boom, get solid estimates. And I promise, by the end of this, you'll feel a bit more like a stats pro. So let's go to setting up the model. Let's go to RStudio. Okay, so we start here. I will delete the environment here so you will not see you will have something similar to this, and we start here. The question is, what are the expected values of food expenditure for incomes of $2,000, $2,500, and $2,700? Okay, remember that if you haven't done this, you need to install the package DevTools, the package remotes, and open the library DevTools and install the dataset of the Colonescu book. If you already did that, you do not need to repeat these steps. So I will put a hash because I already did that. Okay, next you open the library POE data. Remember, R works with packages, so we need that package because it contains, we are going to use the datasets that the textbook by Colonescu is offering. So let's go to line 17 and hit Ctrl plus Enter as well to load the dataset food. Okay, next we are going to create the model, the linear regression model, and we are going to call it Mod 1. This is a name that I arbitrarily choose, and remember, is that because it's at the left of these two signs or symbols, and we use the function LM for linear regression. This is the equation, the regression equation, food expenditure, and this symbol, and then income, and this name needs to be exactly the same as in your dataset. Then comma, and then you tell R what is the name of the dataset. In this case, the name is food. So data equal food. Next thing, I need to create a data frame. And the name that I'm going to put to that is new X. Yes, I use the function data frame because the function predict require that the format of the income equal to 2,000, 2,500, and 2,700 is like that. I take, or I convert these numbers divided by 100 because our data set is in hundreds. So I need to keep the same scale. Okay, so I will hit here Control Enter. Right, so I created it. Oh, I think I didn't run line 23, but it's okay. I can run them now. Control plus Enter to line 23 and 28, and then I hit Control plus Enter to line 31. Here I predicted the model using Mod 1 and new X. Yes, I will change the names of this object that I created to predict the food expenditure using the estimations of income, and I changed the names because in doing that I will get titles here for my answers. Here in your console you can see that these titles in green are now here as a titles or labels for my answers. So with an income of 2,000, the food expenditure is 287. With an income of 2,500, 3,338. The same for 2,700, the food expenditure is 359. Okay, that's all. That is the answer. And remember, in my next video, we are going to cover the topic of repeated samples to assess regression coefficients. Do not forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you around face-to-face or virtually. Oh, here, please use as well the comments, and it will be great to answer your questions here in YouTube or any other platform. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.